Today we're hosting high school counselors and we're educating them about the opportunities here at UH Manoa.
Manoa is an excellent choice for our students because of the variety of programs that they offer. The undergraduate degrees, from accounting all the way to zoology, the pre-professional programs. It just is right for any student within the state of Hawaii.
Well, I feel UH Manoa is a great choice for my students because it's kind of like the gem in our backyard. It gives students a variety of options and majors that they find interesting, they want to pursue.
UH Manoa is one of the world's great research universities, so the opportunities that we offer to students to engage in meaningful research that touches Hawaii around oceans, around astronomy, around health, around the environment, around our social problems. They won't get those experiences anywhere else.
And students have come back to me after being here for a year, and they come and they say they can't believe the opportunities that they have been provided, whether it's internships, working closely with professors.
Of course, a top selling point, of course, would be the price. You get a quality education at a really good price.
We need to get more Hawaii high school graduates into college. The more educated our citizenry is, the better for them, their families, their communities, and Hawaii.